Hi Scorpio, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. This reading is for you if your sun, moon, rising, or Venus are in the sign of is or are in the sign of Scorpio. So this reading is for October 2021. I'm going to use horseshoe spread um, like the last time, and I hope you have watched the Mercury retrograde and Jupiter retrograde readings, plus the happiness meter reading, which is about what to do to become happy. If not, the link is there in the description box, and we'll quickly hop onto your reading, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. The very first card is you in the present moment. The challenge to this present moment energy, the reason for this challenge or this kind of present energy. So basically, it has more to do with the past, something that happened. The advice from the angels, God, divine, universe, whatever you believe onto. How people see you or what is their attitude towards you. The action you should be taking. And the final outcome for you, Scorpio. All right. So you at the present moment, Seven of Cups. You're very much confused what to do, what not to do. And this confusion is illusion basically. Okay? The challenge to this challenge is Five of Swords. Hmm. You're trying to keep yourself away from people because somebody must have cheated or has been gossiping, or you simply don't want to talk to people, and that is why you're getting confused. You're under so much of illusion, which path to take. Also, this card, Seven of Cups is all about is Ketu card. Okay, is ruled by Ketu, um, the South Node. Okay, um, pray to Lord Ganesha to be able to sort this confusion. You're trying to heal yourself by staying away from people, and that is causing this whole confusion. If that is so, then take the divine's help. Um, and since it is Ketu card for Ketu planet, so you can worship Lord Ganesha. Okay. The reason for this confusion and this whole healing thing is um, you tried to see things from a different perspective. You suspended yourself. It was you were in a situation which was really difficult for you to let go, and probably this whole deception or something, or somebody said some gossips or something, that is why you just went ahead with some sort of self introspection and seeing things from a different perspective altogether, and that led to this confusion. Okay, so in this situation, what is the advice from the divine? Sorry for this. Seven of Seven of Swords. My goodness, there are so many sevens coming for you, Scorpio. You have to understand this is some of you have seven as your life path, or maybe seven is of very much importance. So what you can do is see the advice of the divine for you, Scorpio, for this month is be very strategic. You know, take what is yours, leave what is not yours. You cannot guide people. So somehow the divine is asking you to escape, ignore, and strategize your moves rather than engaging with, you know, these confusions. You have to really rise above, and how will you rise above is not through meditation and all that, but you would rise above if you really have a plan, if you have a strategy in your hand. What is yours, take away, take what is yours, leave what is not. Take what you can, do what you can, leave the rest. Okay, do not keep looking behind. Okay, how people see you, justice. Somebody who will always do the right thing. Somebody who's diplomatic, somebody who follows the laws of the universe, law of karma, law of cause and effect, law of attraction. How people see you is justice. It is more to do with that balance. They see you as completely balanced because probably in the past you've been meditating a lot and people see you as totally balanced. Okay, but this month is not about that spiritualism for you, Scorpio. I was reading for Taurus, and they were actually behaving like you, and you have to behave like them, and you guys are bang opposite to one another. All right, so be strategic, and people see you as diplomatic, um lawful. And people will tell you the truth also, you know. Justice is a card of doing the right thing, and when people are seeing you or their attitude towards you is justice, that means they will do the right thing towards you. Okay, so you will have the needed support. The action that you have to take is you, death card. Finish the Scorpio. You have to be in your element of transformation. And that's your transformation. You're not somebody who would run away or escape a situation. You are not somebody who makes plans and strategies. You're somebody who's very much inside of your own self. You have your own path and you simply don't follow the rat race, Scorpio. But this month, you do, I mean, probably you are being asked to do something different. The action that you have to take is when you're doing this whole different aspect, just don't forget to transform your own self. Do the right thing is very important. Okay, death is a card of rebirth. Basically, it's a card of transformation, phoenix, rising from your ashes. Here, when this confusion is happening, this deception is happening, or when people are back bitching, right, and you're just trying to give up and suspend yourself to think what best you can, that is causing even more confusion for you. And the divine is asking you, excuse me, you have to escape the situation very strategically, act intelligently and logically. That's what is, and how would you do that is by practicing diplomacy, by putting across your point, but in a way that it brings about transformation. Um, it brings about that transformation in your life altogether. Okay, rather than staying in this confusion, because this present confusion will end. That's what the advice is. Once you strategically play your part, this whole confusion will end. This whatever gossip or whatever has happened, that would end if you are into this, if you really follow this advice. This confusion has to end, and the final outcome is Knight of Pentacles. So things are definitely changing for you, money wise, security wise, stability wise. Do not come under anybody's pressure, because these three cards are actually your past challenge and your present is actually talking about the pressure that you have from people. Okay, and these cards are actually telling me that that pressure is not there. You're somebody who's really powerful to bring about that transformation so that this pressure is gone. How would you do that? By following the strategy. Okay, become a planner. And Knight of Pentacles as your final outcome is though things are really will be moving a little slow this month. Justice is Libra card, Death is Scorpio card. Okay, so these two cards, that means this energy of yours will not just be in the October month, but it will also be carried in the month of Scorpio for you. Things are definitely changing, moving forward, though it requires hard work, it requires intelligent work, smart work, and leaving the past behind, of course, that's a very general thing. But don't give up. Knights are somebody who do not give up even if things are slow. Okay, so that's your advice for the month of October, Scorpio. I do see deception happening because Five of Swords, Seven of Swords, presence of them, and Seven of Cups. If I just remove the whole idea of what these cards are, but you definitely faced, either you're facing or you will face some sort of deception, somebody escaping your situation, escaping theft, maybe, you have to, and that is what justice is. If possible, just go ahead, lodge a case, FIR, in the police. Okay, even if there will be a drastic change in your situation, so take that action, do the right thing if that deception is happening. um, or else, if it is not that big, just make sure that you talk to these people once to make to end the whole confusion. It's very important. Either go to the law or talk to them, depending upon how worse your situation is. And Knight of Pentacles says things in terms of money, stability, life altogether will definitely improve. um, Health will stabilize for you. uh, don't give up on your meditation schedules, Scorpio. Put meditation into your schedule, but also make sure that you are strategically planning your days in October month. So seems to be a challenging month, um, full of confusion, deception, taking action towards it, really escaping, planning, communicating, diplomacy, and then final transformation. Pray to Lord Ganesha for advice, for removal of obstacles. The confusions will be sorted. All right, Scorpio, this is what I have for you. Please take care of yourself. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and share this video if you like this video. Um, and I'll see you in the next video. Please take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye.